Cooking show. Cooking dinner. Cooking dinner. Okay, what are we gonna cook today?
Chicken cutlets.
Chicken cutlets. So what you need to do, is this sugar? Okay, wait, you have to do this, this, and then this, and then all these ingredients, and then
No, you just touched raw chicken.
Mommy's doing raw chicken. If I pronounce it, it's raw chicken, except for cooked chicken.
You gotta wash your hands?
Because there's lots of germs and bacteria that can make you very sick.
Or get diarrhea.
And have diarrhea, yes. Or vomit.
Vomit?
Or vomit and diarrhea at the same time.
Vomit diarrhea?
Vomit means you.
Oh!
I'm gonna decide to do this in fast mode, but I don't know a way to like.
Pink. Mommy, it's pink.
Yeah, there's blood on there. Mommy's cutting the blood stuff out.
Why are you cutting your blood?
Guys, tell me if you like to eat blood or not.
Why?
But I have to go potty, so we're gonna just do it to fast mode and it's next.
Why do you spill?
That's about to get very hot, and I don't want you near it, Juliet.
Oh, Juliet just touched that.
I want to like burn her just so she knows what I'm talking about. I turned that on, and you need to be away from it, Juliet.
Why?
Because I said so. You can stand over there.
Why?
Because.
So what's this? Vitamin or sugar? Is this sugar?
No, I told you it's flour.
Oh, flour. Wait, why do you put flour in? Okay.
Eat this one.
Is this open? Do not play with this anymore.
Why?
Because stop asking.
Is this oil?
Yes.
It kind of reminds me of when you like get the cars ready when they drink.
Why just handle this? Why just handle this? Mom, why just handle this?
So how many minutes do you have to cook yummy chicken?
Forever.
Forever? No, yeah, this is the cooking show, so you have to tell us how many minutes do you have.
Between 2 and 20 minutes.
2 and 20 minutes. So you probably see Daddy's age. And this is what it's gonna look like when it comes out, I think.
No.
Oh.
I don't know.
So we would see you back on another available break. Another break. Yeah, bye-bye. Okay.
Yeah, I think that was
Let's see. Oh, Juliet is touching it.
My stove.
It looks.
It's not your stove.
Go get your own stove.
No, that was my stove.
It looks like a half pizza. I'm not kidding, it actually looks like it.
I'm touching my stove.
It's not your stove, Juliet.
Nope, that was my stove.
Whoever uses it the most, it's that person's stove.
That was my
And it's
that was-
Mommy's stove.
No, it's my stove. my
So,
stove.
do you want me to show you where your real stove is? Right here.
Let me see.
It's right there.
Oh, my stove. Why is goats in a milk? Why you can't cook milk? We're getting some more rock chicken. What? You're putting
It
right
already
here?
smells like it right now.
It smells like rock chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Da, da, da! Yay! What is it there?
Put it in some sugar.
Flour.
Put it in some
Flour.
sugar and
Flour.
medicine. Put it in some flour. Some medicine go down. Medicine go down. Oh,
I got it. I got it.
okay. So after this, you have to wash your hands as gently as you could.
I got it.
Because you don't want all the raw chicken to get on your eyes and get pink eyes, right?
Right.
Where's the handle? Hey, Mom.
So how many minutes again?
Between 2 and 20.
I gotta finish this one. I gotta finish this one and do that one. What's that? Mom, what's that?
This is paprika.
Paprika?
She's in Blue's Clues, right?
Yeah, paprika.
Mm-hmm.
Paprika.
Salt and pepper baby, right?
Yeah.
Pepper baby. It's Quiz Clues.
Make the medicine go down.
Baby paprika.
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
I'll
it's
let that oil start boiling.
How many minutes for it to oil and boil?
I don't know.
We'll come back whenever it's boiling stuff.
it's baby paprika.
I think it started to boil. Is it boiling?
Barely.
It's baby paprika. I saw Mrs. Pepper. You did go. I'm touching it right now.
Guys, do you remember that show Blue's Clues, like paprika? We definitely put paprika.
Paprika.
Is that a Spanish word for salt?
No.
Why so Mrs. Pepper?
Look, it's really bubbling.
Mom,
Mommy, tell me like I thought there were gonna be bubbles that were gonna bop, 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 bop. I thought they were gonna go.
It's starting.
You're holding on to the edge.
Dada, time out! Time out! Time out! Time out! Time out! Time out! Time out!
After we eat dinner,
Time out!
we're going to get our baths, okay?
Okay.
Mom, we're going. So, Mrs. Pepper's Blue's Clues.
You're just cleaning up the medicine. Turn sugar to go down. Sugar.
Flour. Milk. Breadcrumbs.
Sugar make the medicine go down.
Sugar.
What?
Flour.
Milk.
Tell us about the
Milk.
ingredients that we forgot to
Milk.
do in the first time.
Cheesy.
You already repeated them like 8 times.
This is a new video.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You missed a whole lot then. Go back to the other video and watch that.
No, I'm not.
Don't put your your dress up there, it'll get dirty.
Why?
It looks.
Because.
Tell me about the bubbling that's going on.
Stuff bubbling. And cooking.
Gobble, gobble. I want to say gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Oh!
That is.
How does this stuff stick on? Like, tell us how it sticks on. Like, this, this, and this. Like, how does it stick on?
It's magic. Cooking magic. Cooking is a science.
If you see, Mommy has her cooking shirt on.
So attractive.
You have to wear this cooking shirt, or else you're gonna get your shirt all messy. But these things might get messy. It's so hard for the cameraman. It's so hard for the cameraman to just videotape everything. I did put that on film. I didn't put that.
They're dirty, Juliet. They got oil.
Why?
They have oil. They're dirty.
Like, can I try that? Can I try this thing out? I actually don't want to right now. Wow, it looks really bubbling. I would say just eat it right now. See those bubbles?
What's this? Baby paprika.
Watch your elbow.
Why?
Because you're close to touching that hot area.
It feels like a crowd's in here. Like, it feels like we have like one more friend. It feels like that we have like another friend that's just like coming in and saying like hello to the. Oh, dude, we're not doing 3 a.m. videos. No, we're not doing 3 a.m. videos, are we?
No.
No. What did you just do?
I don't like backseat cooks. I'm sorry. It makes me nervous. Daddy knows better too.
Why Daddy's done? Daddy's done. Oh, Daddy knows.
We'll be back whenever all of them are lined it up. We're back. It looks like Mommy just put 2 in. Look at that.
I turned myself right here.
Mm-hmm.
So you put the sand in and that in.
It's a small red dog. It's a small red dog. It's a small red dog. Small, it's a small red dog. It's a small red dog. It's a small red dog. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to where we go. No, 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 no. Send you time out all the way. I want atomic star. You better use these songs. Let's free my way, sing you. Saw my birthday. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All my friends do ride on four sleigh.
It looks like a
Jingle
mountain.
bells, jingle bells, jingle
I meant snow.
all the way.
Where do I go?
Oh my friends,
Probably there might be a new movie called
Oh,
The
jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
thing
all
attack
the way.
the
Oh my friends, do ride one so sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle
Watch
bells.
your dress so it doesn't catch fire.
Why?
Flipping it around a hot stove, you'll combust and explode and catch on fire.
Why? Oh!
Sorry for saying that bad word. You should have paused that.
I turned it off hours ago because you weren't watching it.
Why? Mom, why?
Don't say that word one more time.
It looks like Mommy put some more.
Don't eat anything off the counter.
Why?
Go to Daddy. You're forbidden.
I really want to eat salt really bad. But I can't because it's not healthy. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. That should be a new song. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble. Bubble guppy. Bubble guppy. I can see the smoke. See the smoke coming. So every time you have to put paprika and what's that other one?
Garlic.
Garlic. So you have to put paprika and garlic every time in here. So it could do what? What could it do
What?
for paprika and that?
I don't know. How do you make it?
What country did paprika come from?
I don't know. Italy? I don't know.
Probably the southwest. There can have burps in here if you feel like to really burp.
No feel for that.
Well, the people would still cook.
Over.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. bubble, 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 bubble. Yep, this, and then that, and then that. Now it feels like it's just gone now. It felt like a song for one point when I was going. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. The song's coming back.
Can you open this box and get me another bag?
It just came out of nowhere. So it looks like we have this.
Back in the corner.
My duty's in you time.
Now, Daddy, you're on film on YouTube.
Ow, he's in you.
I can just. I caught your face. I caught your face for 1 point. I caught your face. I caught your face. I got your eye. Now I see some of your eyes. Why do you not like? Well, what? I caught you. I'm catching you. So what bag do you have there? Let's just go back to this. It's coming back. Bubbles are coming back. Coming back to life.
Right here.
We have one last meat. After you cook all these meats, and then this last one, it's going to be the end of the video. It's going to be the end of the video when we cook this last meat. First, we have to look here. I have to wipe the camera, I think. And hi. Hi. I have to just wipe the camera off. I have to still wipe the camera. But then I think I have to face it this way. But just get all the. Itchy. The yummy chicken.
See my voices when you sing fine and fine now.
We would be back when the Skip-de-dip-de-doo. It's off to look renew. It's off to look out. I hurt myself. Right on that pointy edge. It's flooding. The whole thing is flooding. Welcome to the Bennett Show. This is the Bennett Show. This is the Bennett Show. This is the
Julia Show. Welcome to Julia Show.
Mommy, how do you know how to cook hamburger helper that well?
Practice.
My camera's not waterproof.
It is not.
Wow, it just magically appeared. This one has got to take a while.
Well, then it's going to. Pretty thick.
Look at me, look.
So we're gonna wait for we're gonna wait a couple seconds for that to just boom magically appear like these others. So we will see you. Bye bye. Peace out. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a fan. We're just kidding. Peace out. No, I'm not. We will see you whenever it's all like that. Look at it.
Oh, shit. The chicken.
Heads up, there's smoke.
Okay. Mommy, I just talked to her.
Okay.
Now, whenever that goes to there, it's going to be the end of the video. So we're going to wait until that goes on there. Is that 5%? I think. Okay. It looks like it all's gone.
oven.
In the oven? Right up there? Like what?
About a minute.
Okay, we're gonna see you when it's ready in a couple minutes. Not the end of the video yet, guys. Okay, I better get this all worked up. Is it up there or down there?
Down there.
Down there. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it looks like it's all together. Sorry for all those bad words. Sorry for all those bad words, but you gotta keep it, every time we like say a bad word, just fucking trace, just cooking.
What did you just say?
We better not put.
I didn't even say the F-bomb.
Yes, we did.
I didn't say bum.
Okay, like oh,
It was your fruit punch.
what are you laughing about?
Because you just said the F-bomb.
Oh!
I say
Whoops.
no F.
So
You
let's,
said the F-bomb.
let's stop talking about that.
Mommy.
It looks like the yummy chicken. It's all where it's supposed to.
Are you really going to eat, Juliet?
I'm gonna eat.
eat it when it
Are you
gets
really going to eat?
This is the end of the video. If you guys don't watch my videos, then you're not going to go. No. Forgot. Peace out.